Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload Reels on Facebook. So watch this video till the end to understand the tutorial properly. So there are two different ways how you can upload a Reel on Facebook. And the first way is to just share it from Instagram. So if you open your Instagram application and then tap on this plus icon, click on this Reel. And if you create a Reel, record a short video like you normally do, click on this next again, and on that step, once you are ready to share the reel, all you have to do is just scroll down where you can easily find this option, share to Facebook feature. You can tap on that and then just make sure that toggle is on next to your Facebook account name. So this toggle is must on. If you still haven't linked your Instagram and the Facebook accounts, you can get into account center, tap on this accounts, and then you can add all of your accounts right here. Then you can combine them into different profiles. As you can see, I've got two different accounts. You can see Facebook and Instagram account. That's my personal profile. That was the way how you can upload a reel using your Instagram. And now let me show you the second way how you can upload a reel directly on Facebook application. So just open up the Facebook application on your mobile and tap on this plus icon in the upper right and select reel. Now you are able to create a reel. You can use your camera. You can tap on this music. You can select effects, green screen. There are a lot of options. Or you can just upload some. If you want to upload any of them from your camera, you can just do this. Let me select this one. Then you have some options right here: audio, text, effects, stickers, and all these things. You can tap on this next and you can write some captions here. You can set privacy for that reel. You can set friends. You can set friends except some people who you don't want to share this reel. Once you finish with that, you can just hit this share now. Your reel will be uploaded on Facebook. That's it for this video. That's how you can upload reels on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.